Whoa! And here we go. We got Gord and Morgan. We're heading out on our ride. We're going to zip out the backyard and see what it's like today up on Queest Mountain. Party time. Okay, we're following the young kid Morgan. Good rider. Known him since he was a kid. And he and his brother and his dad, they all have CRF 450Xs. Today he's riding Donna's because he didn't bring his bike. He just brought his gear this time. Yeah, gonna have to hustle to keep up with the young lad. Boy, what a day. It's still been a scorcher down on the lake. A little bit cooler up here, but boy, in the afternoon sun, it is still pretty warm, pretty dusty, especially on the main road, but well, it's all good so far. We've headed up Queest Road here, and you know, the road is nice enough, but the trouble is that there's really not much scenery up here. I don't know what a guy has to do to, you know, to get some scenery. Yeah, it's just not very scenic up here. But so far so good. We're doing a quick test of this Dango GoPro mount for the helmet, and also testing the media mod with the rear microphone configured, and we'll see how that turns out.
Gentlemen, this is Morgan Pelican checking in. Just out on the ride with Gord here today. Beautiful day out here in Stickamoose. This is basically right out his backyard. Just unbelievable. Couldn't ask for a better day. Got Gord riding his 400, got 250 here, plenty of jam, and looks like we're getting some sprinkles now.
Good fish?
Yeah.
Okay, too bad we're getting rain. Oh well.
Alright.